Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Hello guys, it's your girl Bellissima. Today we are coming to prepare red pepper light soup with goat and then sheep meat, including the head. If you haven't tasted it before, this really reminds me back in Ghana when my mother always sent me to go and buy goat head to come and prepare palm nut soup. So this is about, our meat is about 3 pounds. So we are coming to season our meat. So with the season of the meat, this is our sedanoff, and then we put 3 of mintia. When the soup is ready, we remove it. It gives it another taste. I'm cutting 1 large onion to season our meat. With the soup, you cut in small sizes, like 4 square shape. You put everything inside. You add your spices to it. So this maggi, I'm adding 1 maggi. Just break it into pieces. And then another 1 star cube. So it's time for us to blend our ginger, garlic, and then anise seed to season our soup. So I'm coming to chop the ginger into pieces. Seed. Those 5 cloves of garlic. You chop everything into pieces, then you blend everything together. So this our ready grounded onions, garlic, ginger, and anise. You just pour it into your meat. I haven't still add any water to the meat. So this is my already made ginger, onions, garlic, rosemary spices that I normally use. So I'm adding small to it. And then add our tomato paste. then salt to taste. I'm coming to add salt. Okay. So I'm going to wash inside the blender and then add the water. Pour some water on it. It's okay. I'm going to put it on fire. Guys, it's time for us to blend our onion, red pepper, tomatoes, and then our pepper. We are boiling it. After we blend it, so we don't have any formula to cut the onion. Yeah, for it. That's 3 large size of tomatoes. Ready to put on fire. I'm going to put water on it, a little bit water. So let's check our meat. Wow, the aroma alone. This is my own version of doing it. Just look at the head. Hey. Ready, we are coming to prepare fufu. It's still hard, so we want it to be very soft, a little bit. Then we blend our tomatoes, onion, and then our pepper. Our onion and tomato is ready, the pepper. We are coming to blend it, including the water that I use it to boil it. I don't throw it away, plus the red pepper. You blend everything together. Then you pour it onto your meat. The lime soup is going to be Let me go and blend it. Guys, we have poured our blended onion, red pepper, and then our pepper inside. So the water is small. I want it to be very light, so I'm adding a little bit of water. Just look at the head. Look at the tongue. The tongue of the meat. Look at it. Woo. It's very delicious, eh? Everyone is invited. Let me add a little bit of water. coming to boil my okra. So I'm cutting it into 2 pieces. Light soup with okra and fufu. Very delicious. You will really enjoy it. This is too small, so I'm not going to cut it. By the time the light soup is ready, my okra too will be ready. Then I use it with my fufu. Let me put it on fire. Hello. Our soup and fufu is ready, Because our fufu and then our okra. It's ready. I'm coming to remove the wintia from it, the soup. This one, the black one. It's called wintia. Serve our food. This is the goat leg. Who is coming for lunch? Look at the one of the of the head. Coming for lunch. Everybody is invited. Everybody is invited. Come and let's eat, Listen how it's very delicious. If you haven't still subscribed to this channel, please do so to subscribe, like, share and comment for your girl. And try my recipe of this light soup too, with the red pepper and then the goats and then the sheep meat together. It's very delicious, right? So we will catch up in our next recipe. See you!